So this is the shower panel that I bought online 2 years ago. And if you are having the same issues as I was, the water pressure is really like slow. I had to look into it, and I'm glad I didn't break it. So don't break yours in the front. So basically, when you install this, there was an instruction that says there's a yellow gasket that goes in this location here. You'd have just to take it out, because when I installed this, it says if you don't want a very strong water pressure, you have to put this. It's a yellow rubber. It's a gasket. So I took it out, and I took the rest of the. You don't have to take like the black one, but I took all of it. So you see that? So I took all three of them. I shouldn't, but it still works. So I just go to that part at the back of your shower panel, because these are awesome shower panels. You know, it's just if you don't take that off, it's gonna be very low water pressure, and you're not gonna enjoy it. So very simple. Just take it out, unlock it with a key, and then turn it on. Now it all works like all the features of the shower panel you can enjoy. That's it.